Welcome to the future of food processing, where over 10,000 mature coconuts arrive every single hour to begin a truly miraculous and hypnotic transformation. The brown tide flows through hydraulic channels, a massive organic wave meeting industrial efficiency as the sun glints off the rough fibers of each shell. Observe the rhythmic dance of the harvest. Each coconut rolls with mathematical precision, moving steadily to the mechanical heart of this advanced high-tech manufacturing plant. Advanced laser sensors scan every fruit, ensuring only the highest quality mature coconuts proceed to the next stage of our sophisticated plant-based seafood production line. The scale is immense as the conveyor carries this natural wealth upward, bridging the gap between raw agriculture and the pinnacle of modern culinary engineering technology. Feel the raw power of the machinery as it handles these tough shells with ease, preparing them for the delicate extraction process that lies just ahead. Giant robotic arms move with startling grace, grabbing clusters of coconuts and positioning them into fixed docks for the intense mechanical peeling process about to begin. We leave the outdoor warmth behind and enter a world of sterile perfection, where stainless steel and bright lights define the boundaries of modern food safety. The mechanical pulse of the factory is constant, a steady hum of progress that will soon turn these hard brown shells into tender, delicious vegan seafood. The peeling begins. High-speed blades, sharper than a surgeon's scalpel, rotate with incredible speed to strip away the tough outer layers in just a single second. With a sudden, clean strike, the shell is discarded, revealing the pristine white soul of the coconut, ready to be transformed into our signature squid rings. Every trace of the brown inner skin is delicately removed, leaving behind only the purest white meat, essential for creating the realistic appearance of fresh squid. High-pressure water jets blast away any remaining debris, utilizing ultrasonic cleaning technology to ensure every single piece of and sanitized to the highest possible global standards. A stunning visual contrast emerges as the pure white spheres flow over vibrant blue belts, a hypnotic sight that showcases the sheer volume of our production. Robotic precision ensures that every piece of meat is perfectly aligned, allowing the advanced cutting technology to achieve maximum yield and consistency in every batch. Vacuum systems handle the delicate meat with care, ensuring no bruising occurs as the ingredients move toward the most critical stage of their structural transformation. Inside the ozonated washing drums, a swirling vortex of purified water further cleanses the meat, preparing the texture for the high-tech water jet cutting process. The surface tension of the water highlights the incredible purity we achieve, a blank canvas of plant-based protein ready to be sculpted into a culinary masterpiece. Human expertise meets machine intelligence as our technicians monitor every variable in real time, ensuring the process remains stable and the quality remains absolutely flawless. A gentle mist of organic acid balances the pH levels, a subtle but vital step that prepares the coconut fibers for their upcoming change in elasticity. The scale of the operation is breathtaking, a symphony of automation where thousands of individual pieces move as one toward the creation of healthy seafood. As we transition from cleaning to shaping, the atmosphere shifts. The real magic is about to happen in the high-pressure water jet cutting chamber. The water jet cutting begins. A stream of water pressurized to extreme levels slices through the coconut meat with a precision of 0.1 millimeters. Watch as the sharp liquid blade carves perfect, identical rings, mimicking the exact shape of traditional squid with a level of consistency no human hand could achieve. The rings fall gracefully, mineral bath, floating like white clouds as they are separated from the remnants of the original coconut meat spheres. Look closely at the grain. The natural fibers of the mature coconut are perfectly suited to replicate the tough yet tender texture of ocean-caught squid. A forest of nozzles works in unison, a high-tech ballet of pressure and precision that creates hundreds of identical rings every few seconds of operation. The edges are perfectly smooth, a testament to the power of water jet technology, which eliminates the need for physical blades that could dull over time. As the rings emerge from their bath, the excess water drains away, revealing the clean, white, and perfectly formed shapes of our plant-based squid rings. The rings now move toward the transformation chamber, where heat and specialized enzymes will fundamentally alter their physical properties to achieve that signature bite. Every pulse of the water jet is monitored by computer systems to ensure the highest fidelity of shape, maintaining the illusion of authentic seafood in every bite. Nothing is wasted in our facility. The remaining coconut meat is collected and redirected to be processed into high-quality flour for other sustainable food products. A quick blast of purified air preps the surface of the rings, ensuring they are perfectly dry and ready for the enzyme infusion process that follows. Under the glow of UV sterilization, we ensure that the rings are biologically pure before entering the enzyme baths that will create their unique chewy texture. This is the intersection of nature and engineering. A high-efficiency environment where the humble coconut elevated to a sophisticated culinary ingredient for the world. The rings are submerged in a specialized seaweed extract, a natural solution that infuses them with the subtle, fresh scent of the deep blue ocean. Notice the subtle change in appearance as the natural enzymes begin to work, softening the rigid coconut structure into something much more flexible and resilient. Steam chamber is where the texture is locked in. High-pressure steam penetrates the fibers, creating a chewiness that is indistinguishable from traditional marine squid. Inside, the intense heat works its magic, turning the opaque white meat into a translucent, elastic material that mimics the physical properties of cooked seafood. Gentle stirring ensures an even coat of proteins and minerals, fortifying the plant-based rings and giving them a nutritional profile that rivals their ocean-born counterparts. We test for perfect snap. Our quality control involves stretching samples to ensure they have the exact resistance and springiness expected by gourmet chefs. A blast of cooling mist halts the transformation at the perfect moment, locking in the elastic texture and ensuring every batch has a consistent mouthfeel. Emerging from the tunnel, these rings no longer resemble coconuts. They have become something entirely new, sustainable, high-performance protein ready for the global market. A signature blend of natural seasonings is applied, adding layers of umami and saltiness that evoke the essence of the sea without harming its inhabitants. For our breaded variety, each ring is dipped into a specialized batter, creating a bond that will result in a perfect golden crunch when cooked. The rings roll through a sea of panko crumbs, each one gaining a protective layer of texture that will transform into a crispy delight in the kitchen. Light-based inspection ensures total uniformity. Any ring that doesn't meet our strict diameter or thickness standards is automatically removed from the production line. The preparation is complete. Now, the rings must be preserved at the peak of their freshness using our advanced individual quick freezing technology. Freezing happens in an instant. This rapid process prevents large ice crystals from forming, preserving the delicate cellular structure and the perfect texture of the meat. The rings enter the heart of the cold zone, where temperatures drop far below zero to ensure that the quality is locked in for customers worldwide. Inside, a whirlwind of sub-zero air keeps the rings in motion, preventing them from sticking together and ensuring each one remains a perfect individual piece. They emerge like frozen jewels. The transformation is complete, and the once soft coconut is now a durable, high-quality seafood alternative ready for packaging. We move into the final stage. The packaging area is a marvel of speed and hygiene, designed to seal in the freshness of our plant-based creation. Computerized scales calculate the exact weight of every serving, ensuring that every bag delivered to the consumer contains the perfect amount of product. With a quick flash of heat, the bags are hermetically sealed, protecting the contents from the outside world and maintaining their integrity during long-distance transport. The finished packages flow like a river, a testament to the efficiency of our zero-waste, high-output production philosophy that feeds the growing demand for vegan alternatives. Robotic logistics take over, organizing the bags into boxes with tireless precision. precision, preparing them for their journey to supermarkets and restaurants across the globe. Full traceability is built into every box. Our digital labels allow consumers to track the journey of their food from the coconut to their plate. The pallets are moved into our deep freeze warehouse, a vast library of plant-based seafood waiting to be shipped to hungry customers everywhere. Maintaining a constant -40 degrees is crucial. This extreme cold preserves the natural flavors and the unique texture we worked so hard to create. As one batch ends, the cleaning cycle begins. Our automated sanitation systems ensure that every inch of the factory remains spotless and ready for the next run. Quality assurance never sleeps. We constantly analyze the microstructure of our rings to ensure the plant fibers are performing exactly as they should. In kitchens around the world, the final act begins. Chefs discover a versatile and sustainable ingredient that performs beautifully in any traditional seafood recipe. The sizzle of the fryer brings the product to life. The rings turn a beautiful golden brown, their texture becoming light, crispy, and incredibly appetizing. Look at that perfect crust. Our unique coating technology ensures a crunch that lasts, providing the ultimate sensory experience for anyone craving classic fried calamari. The knife glides through, revealing a tender interior that looks and feels exactly like the real thing, but made entirely from the sustainable, earth-friendly coconuts. The final presentation is a masterpiece. This isn't just a substitute. It's a gourmet choice that stands on its own merits as a delicious culinary achievement. One bite is all it takes to realize that the future of food is here. It's delicious, ethical, and more satisfying than anything you've tried before. From street food to fine dining, the versatility of our coconut-based squid rings allows for endless creativity in the kitchen of the future. From the rough brown shells of the coconut grove to the sophisticated packages on our shelves, witness the incredible journey of plant-based innovation at scale. Even as the day ends, our commitment to quality continues. This facility is a beacon of hope for a more sustainable and compassionate food system. We lead the way in food technology, proving that with enough imagination and engineering, we can recreate the flavors we love without compromise. As the sun sets over our high-tech campus, we celebrate another day of transforming the humble coconut into the seafood of tomorrow. The journey of transformation is complete. Nature's bounty has been refined by technology into a product that protects our oceans while delighting our palates. Join us in this delicious revolution. Experience the power of coconut technology and help us build a better, more sustainable world, one